Jai Shri Radhe Krishna friends, Jai Jagannath. So friends, in previous classes, like previous three classes, we were doing creativity, innovation, processing. So now today we will move to, like in previous class we have just reached till 6 tips to help you enhance your creativity. But before that, we just get a review what we studied in the previous class. We will study about creativity and innovation process. Creativity and types of creativity. Types of creativity were artistic creativity, scientific creativity, entrepreneurial creativity, technical creativity, social creativity, cultural creativity, and personal creativity. Okay, these were types. These were seven types. And thought process were convergent thinking, divergent thinking, productive thinking. Then we discussed stages of creativity: preparation, exploration, incubation, illumination, verification, evaluation, implementation. How many seven types of creativity, and seven stages are also there: preparation, exploration, incubation, illumination, and verification, evaluation, implementation. Now stages of creative problem solving: problem identification, like problem analysis. First, problem identification, problem analysis, idea generation, evaluation, and realization. Now factors, we discussed the factors of creative. Then thinking barriers we discussed. Then common obstacles in personal creativity or creative blocks, that were fear of failure, perfectionism, lack of confidence, limited thinking, time constraints. So today we are starting from 6 tips to enhance your creativity. 6 steps to help you enhance your creativity. First, open your mind. Have one new experience every day, no matter how small. New experiences stimulate the brain and help you make new and original connections. Critical for boosting breakthroughs. Diversify. Involve others in your problem solving efforts who bring a different perspective or cultural experience than yours. Mental flaws, relax, stress, exhaustion, boredom, and even pain can block our pathways to creativity. Mental things or mental health is also very important. Stop looking for the right answer. For this, stop looking for the right answer. Look for many right answers. Discover your creative rhythm. It is important. Discover your creative rhythm. Start paying attention to when you get your best ideas. When you get your best idea, that is discovering your creative rhythm. Health makes wealth. Regular exercises not only benefits your body. You should do regular exercises. It boosts brain performance as well. Innovative thinking. Six Simple Secrets by Patty Selvin, MA, Master of Arts, maybe. And another one, find what you love to do. We know that people do their most creative work when they love doing what they are doing. There is no substitute for intrinsic motivation. That is motivation that comes from within. Although such motivation doesn't guarantee creativity, dislike or lack of interest in work practically guarantees non-creativity. Repeating again, knowing that people do their most creative work when they love doing what they are doing, they're interested, when they're choosing something what they want to do. There is none substitute for intrinsic motivation. What if that motivation that comes from within? No substitute of that. Although such a motivation doesn't guarantee creativity, dislike or lack of interest in work practically guarantees non-creativity. 10 keys to creative innovation. It is again important thing by Robert J. Sternberg, PhD, and Todd Eilver, PhD. So first thing is brainstorming. So brainstorming is the first. We were discussing about the brainstorming. Then brainstorming, this is a group technique in which individuals generate as many ideas as possible without judgment or criticism. The goal is to encourage free thinking and creative ideas which can then be refined and evaluated later. The goal is to encourage free thinking and creative ideas which can then be refined and evaluated later. Mind mapping, this technique involves creating a visual representation of ideas and their connections. It often starts with a central idea or concept with related ideas branching out in different directions. This technique involves creating a visual representation. What are you visualizing of ideas and the concept? Like what you are deciding to do, like just creating mind map of that. It often creates with a central idea or concept with related ideas branching out in different directions. You're moving in different directions. That is called like through mind. You're doing visual representation, like visually you're thinking. Scamper. Third one is scamper. Scamper. SCAMPR. Scamper. This technique involves asking questions to prompt creative thinking, such as what can be substituted, what can be combined, what can be adapted, what can be modified, what can be put to another use, what can be eliminated, and what can be reversed. This is called scampering. Firstly, we have discussed reverse brainstorming. Now, what is reverse brainstorming? See, reverse brainstorming, this technique involves considering the opposite of a problem or challenge to generate new ideas. For example, if the problem is how can we increase customer satisfaction, the opposite might be how can we make customers less satisfied. This is reverse brainstorming. Then fifth is random word association. Random word association, this technique involves using a random word or phrase as a prompt for generating new ideas. As name suggesting, like I'm using any random word or phrase as a prompt for generating new ideas. For example, if the word, we take the word banana. Ideas might include smoothie recipes, banana bread, marketing slogans featuring bananas, then it's like random word association. You could use any word, like any random word association and making ideas on that. This technique is called random word association. Then moving 60 point, that is a free writing. Free writing, like writing, this technique involves writing down ideas as quickly and freely as possible without worrying about organization or structure. The goal is to encourage creative thinking. Our goal is to encourage creative thinking and generate a large number of ideas that can be refined later. This is called uh, free writing. How many points we discussed? We discussed 6 points. Brainstorming, like individuals generate as many ideas as possible without judgment or criticism. Mind mapping, like visual representation of ideas and their connections. Scamper, like asking questions to prompt creative things such as what can be substituted, what can be combined, what can be adapted, what can be modified, what can be put on other use, just like that. Another is reverse brainstorming. This technique involves considering the opposite of a problem or challenge to generate new ideas. Example, we have told how can we increase customer satisfaction. The opposite might be how can we make customers less satisfied. Fifth is random word association. Fifth was random word association, like using random word. For example, we have used the word banana, like smoothie recipes, banana bread, etc. Free writing, like writing down ideas as quickly and freely as possible without worrying about the organization or structure. So we have just completed up to free writing. So moving on to another heading, that is successful idea generation group. Successful idea generation group. 3 to 8 members. First thing what to do to like successful idea generation group. 3 to 8 members from different areas. Social homogeneity of the group. Coordinator, not necessarily the manager. Informal and pleasant atmosphere. Mixed group, men and women. Meeting shouldn't be too long or too frequent. Because the things we do more usual, it gets casual to us. We become less careful to it. Like, and it's like some things are restricted to some boundary. For example, what we said, like too frequent, like it is about meetings. That meetings should be like not too long or too frequent. This is about meetings. We are talking about your studies, so just focusing on studies part. We should take it in other fields, like in personal lives. Next is clear tasks with clear definition of roles. Clear your task with clear definition of roles. Concept clear, like clear task. Like if you have, how would you give example? Clear task with clear definition of roles. Like you are just have very good info, like person having good knowledge or like very clear about the role, about the task, that how the task is going to be performed. That clear task with clear definition. There shouldn't be any backs, like there shouldn't be any doubt on that. It should be completely clear. Then criticism should be open and objective. So like criticism, uh, it should be like you could say like everybody could get to that point, get to your point, and give his or her evolution, his or her advice on that, like accepting or whatever they have their views. They should be like discussion should be open. uh, Second last, discussion always objective and open. Always objective. It should be always objective. Then last, we have discussed before that criticism should be open and objective. Now moving on to another topic, that possible tasks one. Then what could be possible task? A lightning, for example, possible task, first task, like we take example, a lightning manufacturer wants to develop a new work light, especially in view of a new target group of environmentally conscious customers. Material, light sources. A lighting manufacturer wants to develop a new work light, especially in view of a new target group of environmentally conscious customers. Material, light sources. Second, a car repair shop wants to extend its services and is looking for new opportunities in the field of mobility. A car repair shop. So we were on the a car repair example. A car repair shop wants to extend its services and is looking for new opportunities in the field of mobility. A big shopping center. Third example. A big shopping center has problems with traffic congestion, especially at the weekends. Parking spaces are rare and cost a lot. The company looks for a solution which is not too expensive. Possible tasks are possible tasks too. An interest group would like to introduce an environmental model administration. Environmental model administration. A company responsible for waste, another example, a company responsible for the waste disposal at an airport would like to discuss with the airlines how to separate waste in the aircraft. Which possibilities can you think of? So this we have completed. Now we are moving toward a very important section that is important, like that is creativity, opportunity, identification, and that we would discuss in our next video, because this video is getting about 12 minutes. Then, like, if we are trying to make videos like in such a way that one should easily can go through that. Okay. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna, friends. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna, Tara Manman, Jai Jagannath, Jai Maa Saraswati. Everybody, blessings of God, and please go through the channel if you are liking and share and subscribe. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna, Radhe Radhe everyone.